How do you do? How are you, baby? I hope everyone is doing good. Am I right? Yes. Today our concept is parts of the body. What's our concept today? Parts of the body. So already we have seen general body parts in the first week itself. Am I right? Yes. Next, after that, we learn parts of face. Am I right? Did you remember what are parts of face? Ma'am, let me say one time. Okay, kids? What are parts in our face? Forehead, eyes, nose, cheeks, ears, chin and mouth. Okay, kids? Next, let's learn parts of eyes, nose and mouth in a. Yes, let's say only one time. Okay, what are the parts in our eyes? What are the parts of eyes? You say along with me. Come on. Eyebrows, eyelashes and eyes. Eyebrows, eyelashes and eyes. Next, you say what are the parts in our nose? What are the parts in our nose? Yes, come on. Nose, nostril, nose, nostril. Very good. Next, let's say the parts of mouth. Okay, kids? Come on. What are the parts in our mouth? Teeth, tongue and lips. Okay, kids? Next, we are going to see some other body parts in our body. Okay, kids? Next, we are going to see about. Okay, kids? Before entering our concept, let's sing a rhymes. Okay, kids? Come on, everybody stand up. Everybody stand up. This rhymes already we know. Already we sang in the classroom. Let's sing once again. Come on. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Okay, kids, have you all enjoyed these rhymes? Okay, next, ma'am, I am going to say them. What is this part? Tell me everybody, what is this part? Yes, very good. This is a neck. This is a neck. Everybody touch your neck. Come on. Yes, this is our neck. So, neck helps to move our head. See here. Neck helps to move our head. See. Ma'am, I am moving my head. I am nodding my head. See how I am nodding my head. Yes. Neck only joins our head and lower body. So, from our trunk. So, neck only connects our trunk. This is only trunk. Okay, baby. Neck only connects our trunk and head. Neck only connects our head and trunk. Okay, baby. Neck helps to move our head and not our head. What is this part? Neck. Everybody say neck. Very good. Next, what is this part? Everybody touch your stomach. Come on. Everybody touch your stomach. Yes, this is our stomach. Everybody say, this is our stomach. Very good. We are drinking juice and food. Everything. We are eating lot of foods, morning, afternoon, night. In between we are taking snacks. Everything, am I right? We are drinking water also. Where does it go? Where does it go? Come on. Think. Where does it go? We are eating lot of foods through our mouth, So where does it go? Yes, very good. It goes into our stomach. It goes into our stomach. Okay, kids? This is only our stomach. We are eating food, water, everything goes through our mouth. It goes into our stomach. part is, see here, this is our arm. Below our shoulder up to our hand. See, below our shoulder up to our hand. This is only our arm. Everybody say arm. What is this part? Arm. Up to this part. Below our shoulder to up to our hand. This is only our arm. All of you say arm. What is the use of arm? Arm used to throwing, then taking some things. Am I right? So arms only helps to throwing any object and taking for, see, I am taking flashcard. How I am taking? With the help of arms for throwing, and see, arm helps to lifting, holding.
Eyes, ears, elbows, neck, and nose. Feet, knees, hands, arms, legs, and toes. Fingers, mouth, head, hair, and hips. I love my body the way it is. This is my head, my favorite thing. And what I love is when it's thinking. These are my eyes, my favorite thing. And what I love is when they're reading.
These are my toes, my favorite thing. And what I love is when they're wiggling. This is my hair, my favorite thing. And what I love is when it's bouncing. These are my fingers, my favorite thing. And what I love is when they're snapping. These are my shoulders, my favorite thing. And what I love is when they're shaking.
These are my arms, my favorite thing. And what I love is when they're hugging. These are my feet, my favorite thing. And what I love is when they're dancing.
Eyes, ears, elbows, neck, and nose. Feet, knees, hands, arms, legs, and toes. Fingers, mouth, head, hair, and hips. I love my body the way it is. These are my ears, my favorite thing. And what I love is when they're hearing. These are my hips, my favorite thing. And what I love is when they're swinging.
These are my legs, my favorite thing. And what I love is when they're jumping. These are my hands, my favorite thing. And what I love is when they're clapping.
This is my nose, my favorite thing. And what I love is when it's smelling. This is my mouth, my favorite thing. And what I love is when it's whistling. Eyes, ears, elbows, neck, and nose. Feet, knees, hands, arms, legs, and toes. Fingers,
I am lifting this bucket. See here how I am lifting with the help of arm. I am lifting this object with the help of arms. Everybody say arms. Okay. Now I am holding this water bottle. See here how I am holding with the help of arm. With the help of arms we can holding, throwing also. If you want to throw any object. So while we play that time we are throwing the ball, you know. So how we are doing? We are doing, suppose ma'am I am throwing the ball. I am throwing with the help of arms. I am throwing with the help of arms. Okay kids? Okay baby, what is this part? What is this part? See, it's shaking like a head. It's shaking. See how I am nodding my head. Likewise, this part is shaking. What is this part? This is our wrist. Everybody say, this is our wrist. All of you say, what is this part? Wrist. See here, this is only our wrist. Usually all people used to wear watch in here, you know. So that's what we are telling that watch, wrist watch. We are telling wrist watch. This is only our wrist. Everybody shake your wrist. Wrist, come on. This is only our wrist. All of you say wrist. Very good. Super. Next, what is this part? What is this part? E is for elbow. 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 What is this part? This is elbow. This is elbow. Okay kids? Okay baby, what is this part? Here, ma'am, usually I'm saying, you know, hands on the hip. Hands on the hip. Hands on the hip. So, ma'am, I'm keeping my hands. This is only our hip. This is only our hip. Okay baby? Everybody twist your hip. Twist your hip. See? We are twisting our hip. See? You stand up and twist your hip. Come on. Yes. This is only our hip. See ma'am, I am placing my hands. This is only my hip. Okay baby? Can you see? Can you tell me where is our waist in our body? Waist. All of you say waist. Say waist. Say waist is here. Here. This is only our waist. Here. See? Usually boys and girls we used to wear trousers, skirt, you know. So that place is called waist. Our father also usually wearing belt. Am I right? Belt. So that place is called waist. All of you say waist. Okay baby? Okay. Now let me see in the video what are the parts just we have seen now. Okay kids? Come on. Come on children. Let's see in the video. See here. What is this part? Yes. See up to our hand. So below our shoulder. What is this part? This is our arm. All of you say arm. Everybody say arm. Arm helps to throwing, catching, lifting. Okay baby, it helps to throwing, lifting and holding. See here baby, what is this part? What is this part? Yes, this is our elbow. This is our elbow. How many elbows do we have? Yes, we have 2 elbows. We have 2 elbows. See here. See here. 1, 2. 2 elbows. Okay, baby? Come on, see here. What is this part? Everybody say, what is this part? Yes, this is our neck. This is a neck. This is a neck. Neck only helps to move our head. Move our head. See ma'am nodding, you know. See, neck only helps to move our head. See here baby, what is this part? See here, what is this part? Yes, this is a wrist. All of you say, what is this part? This is a wrist. See, Everybody shake your wrist. Come on. How many wrists do we have? How many wrists do we have? We have 2 wrists. See here. 1, 2. 1, 2. We have 2 wrists. Okay, baby. What is this part? What is this part? Yes, this is our stomach. What is this part? This is our stomach. So we are eating food, juice, water, snacks, everything. It goes through our mouth. It comes into our stomach. What is this part? This is our stomach. Okay, kids? Have you all understood what ma'am taught you? Have you all understood? Yes. I hope you all are enjoying this class. So every day you have to recall the concept. Ma'am, today I have taken parts of the body, So you have to give a recall. So daily if you recall only, this is a new body parts. So already we learned general body parts only. Today I told you some specific ones. So this is one new one for this class. Okay kids? We see you on next class.